Hey, what's going on, guys? That's right, another video about eating chips because there's just so many flavors out there. So don't give me a hard time. I'm just trying these chips. In fact, I didn't even buy these. My wife got these for me because she knows I love trying different flavors of chips. Plus, she's in the background making noise cooking, which is fine because she's cooking dinner. Anyway, so this is a new thing, flavor drop from Lay's. Buy, scan, you can win. Let's see. You win a vacation. See back for details. Okay. I didn't even look at this yet. Experience iconic global flavors. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. Win a vacation. Oh, I have to scan a thing. I don't care. I'm not going to enter. I'm not going to win. Just want to try the flavors. So this one is, there's 3 new ones, and they're very unique. That's why she got them. This one's honey butter. Honey butter. Now, I like honey. I like butter. That's great on toast. Is it good on a potato chip? I don't know. This is, let's see. Inspired by the tastes of Korea. So maybe it's a common chip flavor in Korea. I don't really know, but I'm excited to try it. Honey butter. Interesting. By the way, I instead of doing the bookshelves, I figured I'd sit in front of the bar. This is not our permanent bar. There's actually a bookshelf. I want to actually get a nice little bar. There's a spot here for it, but money is a little tight, of course, and didn't really find the right thing on Marketplace yet. Probably find it on Facebook eventually. Ooh, that smells really good. And also, it's a little too busy. I don't know, it's like there's too much stuff. It's not just the bar, or not just the bottles of booze. I have like random stuff on there, the little nips and all kinds of things. So it's looking a little messy to me. Anyway, just telling you. And then so what happened was I set the camera here, which you can't see, and guess what? I was blocking the entire bar. So now I have it up high so you can actually see something behind me, although I might look like a little kid sitting on a stool. Back to the chips. So yeah, I mean they look like plain Lay's. There's definitely a smell there. It's not plain Lay's. Believe it or not, I smell the butter. It smells like butter. I don't smell honey. I smell potatoes and butter. Like if you had, like my mom, Thanksgiving rolls around, my mom's mashed potatoes are ridiculous. So she puts like butter in the mashed potatoes. And they're buttery. And then right on top, like a full stick of butter. Because my dad loves them buttery. It's way too much butter. It's so good. Too much. All right. So let's get in there. Doesn't really look anything special. Smells more in the bag than a single chip. Here we go. Oh yeah. That's different. That's unique. Try that one. My wife's cooking alarm. All right, so you have a basic plain Lay's, but there's definitely a lot of flavor to it. It's interesting because the flavor is of butter. It tastes like butter. It has a buttery feeling in the mouth too, but it's also very sweet, but I don't actually taste honey. Which to me, if I had to pick one, I'd rather have honey flavor than butter flavor, but it's very interesting. It's very different. That's the whole point, is having an experience. Try something new. I do think they're good. I definitely get them over, plain Lay's, but it's not like something I'd have to have. I would never get this again. This is literally just to show you guys. By the way, because of shrinkflation, these bags are getting smaller. What is this now? It's a 7 3/4 ounce bag. So literally, it's like two decent bowls, like, salad bowls full of chips now. It's not like a massive bag. But anyway. Yeah. Sweet. Buttery. If you like that, you can definitely, like if you like pancakes and you have that, the sweet syrup and the butter on it, that's the feeling I'm getting. It doesn't taste like maple syrup. Although if they did that, if they did, maple butter pancakes or waffles, however they wanted to pitch it, that would have been delicious. If you throw the maple flavor on there with the sweetness and everything, but they're good. I mean, it's what it's advertising, but the honey is not there. The flavor of the honey is missing, and I think that's a huge miss because I love honey, and that's what I was looking forward to. So, if you guys try these, let me know what you think. Otherwise, that's it for this video. I'll save these. I'm going to try the other ones. The other ones are just, this was pretty unique by itself. The other ones are pretty darn unique, so I'm excited to show you guys what those flavors are and try them out. But of course, you try these, try them at home. Remember that little fold? I have a whole video on that. I have a video on how to do that, because I have a video on everything. All right, that's it for this one. I'm gonna film these back to back to back, so you will see 3 chip videos, That's it. It's not what I'm eating. My wife's preparing dinner. It's just a little treat. I know people get weirded out by it because, you know, you care, and I appreciate it. You care, Jeff, please don't eat junk food. Just trying it. That's all. It's not my dinner. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the other ones. Hope you have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.